Bitcoin's rollercoaster ride dips below $30,000 amid mixed market signals. Good morning, lovely people. I wish you a good day. Let us get started with today's blog. Bitcoin's volatile journey continues as the cryptocurrency dipped below $30,000, influenced by a mix of positive inflation data, a stronger US dollar, and mixed Q1 earnings results. As investors and market analysts seek to understand the factors driving this recent decline, we explore the dynamics at play and what the future may hold for Bitcoin. Recent Bitcoin price movements. Briefly describe Bitcoin's recent price fluctuations, including its surge above $30,000 and subsequent drop to around $29,500. Mention that the rally was largely untested, according to Joe DePasquale, CEO of BitBull Capital. Factors influencing the price drop. Discuss the mildly upbeat inflation data that initially encouraged investors and drove Bitcoin's price above $30,000. Explain how the US dollar's jump on Monday and mixed Q1 earnings results contributed to the cryptocurrency's decline. Mention the liquidation of over $32 million worth of BTC long positions since Sunday evening, compared to $1 million of BTC short positions, as a factor driving prices lower. Market analysts' perspectives. Share Joe DePasquale's views on the potential consolidation of Bitcoin's price and the possible scenarios for its future movement, including a strong bounce and a decline to $23,000 before rebounding. Include Riyadh Carey's insights on the negative correlation between the US dollar index and Bitcoin's price, as well as the decreasing correlation since the beginning of the year. What to expect in the coming days. Summarize the analysts' expectations for Bitcoin's price movement, including the potential for a strong bounce from the $28,000 to $29,000 range and the importance of reclaiming $30,000. Highlight the uncertainty around Bitcoin's future trajectory, including the possibility of a further decline before an eventual rebound. Conclusion. As Bitcoin's price dips below $30,000 amid mixed market signals, investors and analysts alike are keeping a close eye on the cryptocurrency's movements. While some remain optimistic about its potential for a strong rebound, others brace for further declines before a resurgence. In this constantly evolving landscape, staying informed and understanding the factors influencing Bitcoin's price is crucial for both seasoned investors and newcomers to the crypto market. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money in Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.